on the crypto marketplace, which takes a unique approach to the entire notion of virtual currencies. There are a variety of possibilities for investors looking to diversify their portfolios and experiment with newer currencies. If that's the case, Ripple's XRP is the coin for them. However, Ripple and XRP, what's the difference between the two? Continue watching this video to find out. Hello guys, welcome back to AP Crypto, where we teach our audience about the many types of cryptocurrencies and everything new investors should know. Be sure to click on the subscribe button so you never miss any upload. Cryptocurrency is a fast-paced environment with new technology and names appearing on a daily basis. It is known for its one-of-a-kind founding, structure, and operations. Ripple XRP, a private company-founded platform and cryptocurrency released in 2012, is one of the space's biggest and most divisive topics. Ripple is a software startup that caters to businesses. The Ripple protocol was created and founded by this company. The Ripple Consensus Ledger and RippleNet, a suite of payment solutions products sold to banks, non-financial institutions, and digital currency exchanges, are part of this open-source technology. Ripple is most known for its open-source, peer-to-peer decentralized platform, RippleNet, which allows money to be exchanged internationally in any fiat or cryptocurrency denomination between financial institutions. It was founded in 2012 by Jed McCaleb and Chris Larson to support the transfer of tokens representing fiat currency, cryptocurrency, or any other unit of value. The RCL employs distributed ledger technology. The protocol is entirely open, which means that anyone can use it without Ripple's permission. It lets bank and non-bank players to integrate the protocol into their own systems, effectively divorcing it from Ripple. The transactions are validated by consensus among network participants. Ripple's leadership has reframed XRP's role in the company's business model over time. First, declaring it as the gasoline that powers its borderless payments technology, and then as a more efficient means of exchange than Bitcoin, Ripple's currency. XRP is issued and maintained by the company. Ripple started selling XRP in 2012 to support company operations and to allow its customers to buy Bitcoin, but it has taken a second seat to its core goal of establishing RippleNet. However, when people think of Ripple, they might think of the cryptocurrency XRP. Ripple's business, technology, and ecosystem, however, are not totally synonymous with XRP, despite the fact that the XRP token is used by Ripple for specific purposes inside its ecosystem. Ripple's main purpose is to provide financial institutions with a borderless payment and currency exchange gateway. Its native cryptocurrency, XRP, has taken on a life of its own and is actively traded and researched by investors. Some investors argue that XRP is a strong challenger to large cryptocurrency blockchains like Bitcoin and Ethereum due to high-ranking criteria such as rapid and inexpensive transactions. For others, notably U.S. regulatory organizations, Ripple XRP's centralization has been a serious philosophical and security worry. Anyone can trade XRP tokens on the open cryptocurrency market since they represent the transfer of value over the Ripple network. XRP is mostly utilized for payments and borderless currency exchange, unlike Bitcoin's popular store of value narrative use case. While some in the cryptocurrency community are concerned about Ripple's centralized architecture, its rapid transaction speeds, low transaction costs, and low energy usage outperform many blockchain-based cryptocurrencies as a means of exchange. The Ripple protocol consensus algorithm is used by the XRP ledger, whereas the Ripple protocol consensus algorithm is used by the XRP ledger. Because of the consensus method in place, Ripple has had over 7 years of stability, allowing the developers to extend the ecosystem's product range. Because the cryptocurrency business is relatively new in comparison to traditional finance, the regulatory status of crypto assets has become a hot topic throughout the years. The Commodity Futures Trading Commission has classified Bitcoin and Ethereum as commodities. However, other digital assets are more difficult to classify because it does not distinguish between fiat and digital currencies. XRP is often used as a bridge between them. This makes the entire process much more manageable. Ripple, like many other cryptocurrencies, is a virtual asset that derives its strength from blockchain technology. As most of you are already aware, many blockchain platforms rely on either proof of stake or proof of work to reach consensus. The proof of stake mechanism is faster and less expensive than the proof of work process, which works in the opposite direction. According to the SEC's action against Ripple, XRP is a security that falls under the SEC's jurisdiction. A group of users who bought XRP filed a petition, stating justifications supporting XRP's classification as anything other than a security, though the petition's logic has flaws. Ripple claims that the SEC's move occurred too late after XRP was created, and that other U.S. government bodies have classified XRP as something other than a security. Regulatory concerns about Ripple appeared in December 2021. According to one source, Ripple sold after the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission filed a lawsuit. As part of an unregistered securities offering, XRP was made available to investors in the United States and around the world. Over $1.3 billion was raised from the transaction. When the SEC filed the lawsuit, the price of XRP had dropped from 60 cents at the end of November 2020 to 17 cents in December 2020. As Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies soared, the price shot up to an intraday high of $1.96 on the 14th of April. That was XRP's highest level since January 2018, when it hit an all-time high of $3.84 during the previous cryptocurrency surge. As cryptocurrency markets tanked in May, the price of XRP dropped to 51 cents on July 22nd, its lowest level since March 29th. On July 25th, the price fell to 59 cents when cryptocurrency markets bottomed out, bringing it back to that level. Over the rest of the summer, XRP trended higher, reaching $1.52 on September 12th, with Bitcoin and other cryptos following suit. Cryptocurrency values plummeted in late September, but have since recovered. On October 10th, XRP reached $1.23 and has since been in the $1 to $1.25 level. XRP began December at $1 down from a 2-month high of $1.35 reached on November 10th. As the broader cryptocurrency markets retreated from early November highs, the price fell as low as 61 cents. On December 4th, Ripple Labs continues to engage with payments firms to offer financial products and services based on the Ripple blockchain and XRP while the case is pending. It's collaborating with governments in a number of developing countries to bring central bank digital currencies and cross-border remittance services to their citizens. At the time of writing on December 20th, CoinCodex's technical analysis was impartial. There were 12 bullish indicators compared to 17 bearish indicators. The short-term outlook for XRP was gloomy, with CoinCodex expecting that the price will rise to 91 cents by December 23rd. According to the most recent price estimates, the price of Ripple XRP will likely spend the most of 2022 fluctuating between $1 and $2. Ripple is unlikely to reach $3 or a new all-time high in 2022. It is unlikely, however, to fall rapidly in value or to go below $1. If the court rules in XRP's favor in the SEC complaint, the price of the cryptocurrency might climb. However, if the SEC succeeds, the price may fall. It's also crucial to remember that a variety of other factors, such as Ripple's collaborations, the XRP adoption rate, and broader crypto market mood, could have an impact on XRP's performance. XRP is an autonomous token that can and does function partially outside of Ripple's business model, notwithstanding Ripple's legal setback. To some, the price drop and bleak fundamental outlook present a bleak picture of XRP as a potential investment. It remains to be seen whether XRP rebounds and continues to evolve alongside the rest of the crypto herd. Still, while looking for value in discounted assets, it doesn't harm to perform some additional study and come to a well-informed conclusion. That's all we've got for you today. How do you feel about the XRP? Let us know what you think in the comments area below. To be notified the next time we upload a video, click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification under this video. Thank you for tuning in.